Howdy y'all, this is a faultless lock. This one is pinned by Big Willy, the locksmith, with a warning. It says, may cause cursing, throwing of tools, stress, and loss of sanity. Alright, Big Willy, let's see if we can't do something a little bit different than wind up in sanity level land with this one. Okay? I'm trying to go counterclockwise. 18 thousandths, Peterson Gym with the 50 thousandths ply bar. Nice little false sit there, and there we go. Sweet. Alright. Let's see if we can't get this guy out of here. There we go. Well. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so this is just the way I do it. So 7 is actually 1, so you have to forgive me on this one. I'm left-handed, so nice serrated there. Nice serrated. Nice kind of spool. This is like a spoolie T-pin kind of. So there's a nice spool serrated there too as well. So, and out of the core, let's see what we got here. The Bible, I should say. Alright, very nice serrated spool there. Nice serrated. Almost like an acid pin there. Turn it around, see what we got on the bottom here. Nice serrated. I like serrated type spool. So, doesn't look like anything's been done to the top there. It doesn't appear so. And in the core, looks like we have, let's see, we got serrations here. Let's drill out a little more serrations. It's hollowed out there, serrations, and it's hollowed out at the top there. So, you see, it's really nicely done on that one. So, anyway, here are the pins for it. We have a serrated spool, serrated, like a spoolie, serrated spoolie T-pin. This is a serrated spool T-pin, serrated, kind of like an ASA spoolie serrated and a serrated. Again, this is a lock pin by Big Willy, the locksmith. This is K1 Locks, and be safe, be legal, and be the lock.
No chance that I'm leaving here without you.